name's Dave Bensman, and I am Bensman Home Computer Repair. This is my junior technician, Rebecca, and today we're going to be showing you what to do if you have a dead computer and you have a hard drive in it that you want to get out and disable so that nobody can get at your data that's on that hard drive. Okay, well, now we have a computer here, which is a working computer, but we're going to pretend that it is not. We're going to pretend this is a dead computer, and what we want to do is we want to get our hard drive out of here, and we want to disable it so when we take it to the recycling center, nobody can get the information that's on it. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get into the case. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the case around here, and we're going to see that what we have are two screws right there that we need to remove. So Rebecca, why don't you remove those two screws, and we will be able to get into the case. So that's one down, and now Rebecca's going to remove the second one. And that is going to allow us to get into the case. Don't catch that screw, don't let it drop. There you go. Now what we need to do is we need to get into the actual case. So how do we do that? So on the Dells of this era, you're going to pull the little lip there. You're going to pull here, move your arm so they can see. There you go. You're going to pull the little lip towards you. And, or not towards you that way, but towards you this way. You have it right. You got it. You need some help? Here, let's get a little oof. Now grab it. Grab the case. There you go. So now we're going to take this, we're going to set it aside, and now we are inside the case. So Rebecca, what I want you to do is I want you to see if you can point to the hard drive. Do you know that? Yes, that's the hard drive, exactly. So let me see if I can move the camera here a little bit and see if I can get, okay, great. So what I want you to do now is I want you to, you see those two screws right there, Rebecca? On the side of the hard drive? Yes, that's what you're, eventually, you're not going to do it now, but that's eventually what you're going to be removing. Right now what I want you to do is I want you to pull the data cable out of the back of the hard drive. Do you see it? You see the SATA cable right there? Yes. Yes. So you see it's got a little blue pull tab? So you're going to pull that, gently pull it towards you. Good. So now you've removed the data cable from the hard drive. Now what I want you to do is I want you to remove the power cable. The power cable is that kind of all the multicolored, see like orange and yeah. So you're going to remove that, but gentle, no, you're going to pull it from the plug. Yeah, like that. Just gently towards you. There you go. Okay, so now we've removed the data cable and we've removed the power cable. So now what I want you to do is I want you to unscrew those two screws. There you go. Yeah, and that's lefty-loosey as always. Try to catch those screws so they don't fall inside the case. Perfect. You're gonna do that. Yeah, you're gonna unscrew the other one. And you're gonna set that aside. Oh, try and get that there. Now, it's always a good idea if you're trying to put the thing back together again, to put those screws in some sort of a container and label them. Now what I want you to do is gently pull the hard drive out towards you. This? Yeah. Catch it under the bottom. Don't touch the green part. Yeah, there you go. There you go. And then just set it down here on the table right there. Okay. Okay, all right. Now, you see right here, Rebecca? Do you see where we've got, let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. Okay. So do you see right here where you've got like this little spindle looking thing right here? Yeah. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab the drill, honey. The drill. Yeah, there it is. So hold that up so people can see it. Yeah, hold it up right there. So like a corded drill about like this is what you're going to need. We have a screwdriver bit in there right now, but you would put obviously a drill bit in there. And then you would put that down. There you go. You can set it down now. And then what you're going to do is you're going to drill right around this spindle right there. You're going to go drill, 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 drill. You're going to drill all around the spindle, and that is going to prevent anybody from getting access to any data that's on that hard drive, no matter what you do with it. Now, you should be taking the hard drive where, Rebecca? Do you know?
In here?
No, what do we do with bad hard drives when we're done using them? Do you know?
In the trash?
Well, no, we don't want to put them in the trash, because then all the chemicals that are in the hard drive, the lead, the arsenic, the mercury, that all goes into the groundwater. We want to take them to Shelby. If you're in Memphis, you want to take them to Shelby Farms Hazardous Waste Disposal, and you want to let them dispose of it in an ecologically safe manner. That's really best, because otherwise we don't really know what's happening to it, and it really could be going anywhere. So if you are, and the other thing I wanted to get at is, if you are using a computer, like let's say you're trying to remove a hard drive from a computer that's good, you're not removing the hard drive because the computer is bad, but it's because the hard drive is bad, then what you want to make sure is you're always touching the power supply or the side of the case, and you're on an anti-static mat, ideally, when you're removing the hard drive. And if you're, when you put the new hard drive in, make sure that you don't touch this part right here, because that's like the circuit board part. If you need any other assistance with this, I can definitely help you out. I hope that this video was helpful, and if so, please like it and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are in the Memphis area and you need computer repair, please call Dave Bensman at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.